Preparing for the 2026 PL-300 Power BI exam? Let's break down exactly what you need to know. First, you'll master preparing data, which is 25 to 30% of your score. This is all about Power Query. The exam will test your ability to connect to sources, clean messy data, and perform transformations like pivoting, grouping, and merging. You must understand the difference between import, direct query, and the new Fabric native DirectLake mode. Knowing which data shape and steps preserve query folding is critical, as this directly impacts performance. This domain is your foundation for everything that follows in Power BI. Next, modeling the data, also 25 to 30% of the exam. This is the DAX-heavy domain where most candidates struggle. Your goal is to build an efficient star schema, with dimension tables filtering a central fact table. You must know DAX fundamentals cold, especially the calculate function, which modifies filter context. Understanding the difference between row context and filter context is non-negotiable. The exam will test your ability to write time intelligence functions and optimize the model for performance. The third domain, visualize and analyze, is where your model comes to life. Worth 25 to 30%, it covers creating effective reports. You'll need to choose the right visual for the right question. A line chart for trends, a bar chart for comparisons. The 2026 update adds a big focus on AI and Copilot. You must know how to use Copilot to generate narrative summaries and suggest report content. This section also tests usability features like bookmarks, tooltips, and drill-through for storytelling. Don't neglect the final domain, manage and secure Power BI assets, worth 15 to 20%. Many candidates fail here because they only practice in Power BI Desktop. This section covers the Power BI service. You must know workspace roles, how to publish and share apps, and when an on-premises data gateway is required. A huge focus is on security, especially implementing row-level security with DAX filters to ensure users only see their own data. This is about deploying your work safely. The 2026 exam adds two game changers, Microsoft Fabric and Copilot. You don't need to be a Fabric expert, but you must know Power BI's place within it. The key concept is DirectLake mode, which reads data from Fabric's OneLake for incredible performance and freshness. For Copilot, you must know its capabilities, like generating report pages and summarizing models. Critically, you also need to know its limitations and licensing requirements. It requires a Fabric or premium capacity, not just Pro. So, how do you pass? First, master the case study section. Budget about 25 minutes for it. Read the scenario first, and answer every question before moving on. The article provides a detailed 8-week study plan focusing on hands-on practice, which is non-negotiable. The biggest failure points are weak DAX, ignoring the Power BI service, and case study fatigue. By focusing on these areas and using free resources like the Microsoft Learn Path, you can confidently aim for that 700 passing score. You have the strategy. Now it's time to practice. The full blog post contains a detailed 8-week study plan, links to the best free learning resources, and a deep dive into every skill measured. To test your knowledge right now, visit our site for free PL-300 practice questions with AI-powered explanations. Click the link to read the full guide and start practicing today.